Hi, this is the summary video of NSO Beginner Chinese Course Class 2 and I'm Sam. In our live class, we started from tone practice. Here are 4 words made of different tones. So this is the flat tone, rising tone, falling and rising tone, falling tone. So this is how we read these 4 words. Ba, that means 8, number 8. Ba, this means pull. Ba means hold. This word has specific grammar. We do not talk about this word right here. Ba means dad. Let me repeat again. Ba, 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 ba. Number 2, we have 4 words in a similar way. Shi, shi, shi. First word, shi, means teacher. Second word, shi, means 10, number 10. Number 3, shi, means to use. In future, we will talk about this in detail. Shi means yes or is. Number 3, ni, ni. First one, ni, is mostly used in the girl's name. Second one, ni, means mud. Third one, ni, means you. Very important word. Fourth one, ni, that means opposite. Number 4, me. First one, me. Second one, me. Here we have very important words. For example, this one is rice, me. Secret, me. Number 5, da. This is not pronounced as dog, dog, but instead the. You are touching your tongue with your upper teeth. The first one is da. This is important, and this is also very important, most often used words. Da, big. Da, hit. Ge means song. Ge means pattern. Ge means it's a variant of ke. Here is a ke. Ge means measure word. If you want to say one apple, you cannot just say one in Chinese and apple in Chinese. You need to add ge, this word. 一个苹果. 一个 means one. 苹果 means apple. 一个苹果. T means kick. T means raise. T means body. T means dead, instead, or substitute. There are a couple of consonants which are pronounced completely differently. For example, Z is pronounced as zai, not zai or jai. It is pronounced as zai, and here is zh. 中国, your whole mouth will be round. 中国, and your teeth are not touching each other. Your mouth will be completely round. 中国, that means China. C is not pronounced as in cat, k. Instead, it is pronounced as cai, cai, means vegetable, very important word. CH and GH, pretty similar. Mouth is completely round. Chur, this means to eat, very important verb. S is pronounced S in C, so this will be san, means number 3. Shu Shu. This sh is pretty much like this sh in shoe. Your lips are protruded and also round. Shu. J right here is pronounced as zhe, ji, ji, not g, not z, ji, ji means chicken. Q is pronounced as pretty much like C, chi, chi. X is pronounced like SH, but with a very soft tone. For example, shi, i. And here are the combination of those consonants and also the tones. Let's practice together. First tone, zao, cao, mao, sao, gao. Repeat again. Zao, cao, mao, sao, gao. Second tone. Zao, cao, mao, sao, gao. Third tone. Zao, cao, mao, sao, gao. Fourth tone is the easiest one. Zao, cao, mao, sao, gao.